Let's build stronger hands. So we're going to start with a pinch grip. So you're just going to hold your plate and you want to squeeze this way. Now, depending on the kind of plate you've got, you might want to get the lip like this, but then we're getting a slightly different strength, right? So you can do something like this, it's not wrong, but this is harder. Do something like this. You're allowed to use chalk. Squeeze in for the allocated amount of time. See if you can work up to like maybe 30 seconds at a given weight, and if you want to really push it, maybe see how long you can hold a certain weight for as a little challenge. Then number 2, together, and then you're going to pinch. Again, holding on for allocated amount of time, or seeing how long you can hold on for without dropping it. Make sure you do both sides. Number 3 is with a dumbbell. You're gonna grab the top like this. So now we're getting this like wide finger position. So it's different sort of grip to what we were doing with the plate. You're having to crush this way. Again, allocated amount of time, or see how long you can hold a given weight for. So then if you want to start making it a bit more fun, you can like do some flipping. I haven't practiced, so I actually don't know if I'm going to be able to do this on my first try. This might be a bit embarrassing for me. Let's find out. So then you're going to try, well, before we flip it, let me give you the progressions. You're going to try and just swap like this. This one is less dangerous and less difficult, lower skill, but you're still getting the important bit, which is the grip. Flipping it is more of a party trick. You don't actually have to do it, but it's kind of fun. So let me show you. I did do it. This one is more practically useful. Now, if you've got things like this, which you can just buy, these are from Gods of Grip, not affiliated in any way, but if you guys want to sponsor me, thanks. So then they just attach onto one of these. And then you can do lifts and holds with different grips to challenge your fingers. We also have this like DIY grip machine. So I'm just using a bar and a kettlebell, and then you want to squeeze up. There are 2 ways that you can do it. So you can do this, where your hand is like crunching, or you can do this, where you're just flexing your fingers. You can do both hands, or you can do one hand. And you can play around with going for really, really high reps, or making it really heavy and just seeing what you can do. One more option for you is just spending time doing stuff in a weight carry position. So either just holding it, or pressing from this position, or like windmill from this position, or walking around in this position. But then also spending some time in this position. So then here, either closed or open, where now I'm having to actively push up against the weight, and you can either just hold, or you can like bicep curl. Doing bicep curls with one hand is a bit hard. You can do it with 2 hands, or this hand can be like just a balancing guy. Just so that we're getting some of this extensor strength as well. Importantly is hang-in. This one's gonna be great for your grip strength. So you can do hang-in just with both hands. If you can't hold yourself yet, if you're not strong enough, just hang with your feet down. And you can also do with one hand, alternating or time. You can also try with fewer fingers. So then seeing, I won't try one finger, I don't think I'm strong enough. Seeing how you go to do that. Just building time in those positions. A variety of things for you to choose from. Maybe spend like 10 minutes just playing with different ones. Pick and choose, you don't have to do all of them in the same session. And if you do that once a week, you'll probably find that your hands do start to get a lot stronger.